They're behind us.
Krampus has arrived here at Scareview Grave School in St. Albans, West Virginia. We are just east of Huntington. This is Scareview's first time putting on a Christmas show, and we are super excited to take you guys inside with us. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Come with me.
They're behind us.
Oh crap. I don't trust neither one of these. Oh my God. Where have we found ourselves?
We're on to the meadow.
Oh God. She's got nice jewelry.
Y'all have a good time.
Thank you.
We're gonna try.
Merry Christmas.
Well, you too. A Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. This side. Okay.
Come back and see us soon. Right up here for me. Come right in here to the chicken coop.
Oh. Hi there. Uh-oh. We're doing the coop.
We're in the coop.
They're gonna lock us in here. Oh crap, they already did.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Yeah,
Just a
just a little bit.
A little bit. Oh,
Yeah.
oh my. Oh no. Oh God.
All right, we're ready.
Right through
So-
here.
Thank you. Oh God. No. Because that doesn't look fresh. It doesn't really look very fresh. Well, I'm not. It looks fresh to you. It looks hard. Yeah.
It's not hard. It's tender.
It's tender?
No!
Okay, I take your word for it. Uh-oh. La 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 la. Oh God, what in the world? Oh, hello there. Not tea for sure. Uh-oh. Oh, she's drinking something. Hi there. What in the world is that?
I just want to go.
I don't trust her.
I just want to go.
Oh God. I don't. I'm so sorry. We're gonna have to sacrifice you. I don't think she's getting what she wanted for Christmas. Oh, I see you. Oh God. There's somebody there. Okay.
Keep going.
Oh. Shady Farms.
You go straight. Oh, there we go.
Oh God, Tyler.
What
in the
are they doing
world?
up there?
Whoa. Oh my God. Interesting pose. Oh, hi. Oh my God, that laugh. That laugh is creepy. Oh, another door. I like the doors. Knock, knock. Oh, goodness.
You want some?
Oh, no. That's okay. Thank you, though. Tyler, they're ganging up on us. There's more than one.
Oh no.
Hi there.
Hello.
Did you just sneak over here? Piggly Wiggly. Uh-oh, you gotta follow her.
Oh God, no, go this way.
You definitely have
Watch out for the zebra.
There's the zebra.
Watch out.
Oh.
Oh no.
Does that feel
Not
great?
supposed to be that way.
My goodness.
Doing her stretches.
Oh my God. Sneaky. This whole way is creepy. There's something down there.
There's something behind
I don't
me
like
too.
it because I can't see it. Where is it? Where are you?
Did you miss me?
Oh, there you are. I did. Okay.
Oh gosh. Oh
I
my.
can't even see them. Woo, that is so cool. The floor is so squishy. Oh my. Your hair is glowing. Thanks. Oh, what the heck?
Wow.
Somebody up there?
Yeah. Oh, we gotta take a door. Somebody's gotta take a door. No cheating.
No cheating.
We're gonna try
That is such a tricky door. Oh, these are weird. Oh. That one's be in it. Wow. Sounds like sleigh bells. Oh, that just moved. There's nobody there. I think. I don't know. It's messing with me.
Can I lift the soul out for Krampus?
No, I need that.
What about for the devil? I need
That girl's blasting.
That is creepy. Oh my. Oh, he's not feeling well. Oh. Hello? What is that? Oh, hi. Hi, me. Ooh, I like these skellies. Oh. That seems like that might be the target spot. Oh, that don't look good. That don't look good at all. Oh my. I don't trust that at all. Oh, fudge! Good night! Why is there a clown back there?
They must be exercising him.
God. Woo!
He wants to go with me.
Sure. Oh no! What is that? Ugh.
You want to come with me?
I guess I'll come with you, but I'm.
Yeah, go. Walk around.
Okay. She's got green stuff all over
I
her.
didn't even notice the spideys.
Yeah, look. Look at this.
Oh.
It's wet. What is that? Elf juice? Is it elf juice? Ew.
Oh, it's gooey.
Yeah, it's gooey.
Oh. We gotta go in here?
That way or this way?
If she's taking us
Oh, we're
back
going
here.
this way. Oh God. Okay. Oh, what are you doing
I don't
to
know
us?
if this is safe.
This is not.
way.
Oh my.
Oh God. They just locked us in here.
Where the hell are we?
They locked us in the freezer, maybe.
Uh.
Oh no.
That's the way, that way.
I don't think she's right. I don't think we should have listened to her.
I don't think so. Uh-oh.
Oh God. Okay. I don't think we should listen to you.
Hi, Jingles.
Oh, hi, Jingles.
Jerry.
Yeah, Jerry. Sure is.
Thank you.
He lies. Woo! Oh, that's a lot of remotes. Uh-oh. The
Somebody
wall just
had-
says die.
A pretty good Christmas in here.
Pretty good, yeah. What the hell?
Wow.
Doesn't need another.
That
wonder
looks like a
what it is.
baseball bat. That is not a baseball bat.
No. It's a train set.
Yeah. Uh-oh. That clown is good. Hi, Annabelle. Don't touch her. Hi! Woo! Totally hiding.
Oh gosh.
I don't know how many times that is, but at least like 5.
5 times.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, these bodies are getting bloodier as we go.
Yep.
We're not gonna talk about this, but it's sticky.
Ugh.
Ooh, we're going outside. Outside of the schoolhouse.
Oh God.
That was good. Oh, bury me alive. I will get lost.
You can't trust them.
Wow. That is one fast clown. Oh crap. Here we go. You guys ready for level 2? It says,
What's it say?
now it's time to play a game. Ooh. Oh gosh.
I don't know what's creepier.
Oh, Tyler, it's dark. No, I can't see you, but I can hear you. No!
I'm here.
Where?
Behind you. Look.
Oh my God. That is creepy.
I'm behind you.
Oh. That is cool.
Oh God.
We got more blood. They don't know we're here. Oh God, that was
It's not that funny.
Welcome to Scareview. Have you guys been good this year?
Yeah.
Christmas is
Oh yeah. Thank you. We don't. That's not necessary at all. No.
Oh my.
Lulu. Lou.
Marco. Oh God. You said you've been meaning to get that cavity fixed.
Not with that. Where did she go?
She not.
I see you.
Are you looking for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, she's done a number on some of these patients. Woo! Wow.
Come on, right this way!
That was a heck of a tool too. Oh.
Me! Ow!
I don't think I
We gotta
can.
get our slaves out.
They would get pretty mad. What is that?
She needs CPR. She needs CPR.
Oh, that is not good for you.
Oh, don't need that.
Come on, what took you guys so long?
Well, we don't know where we're going.
Well, how do you not know?
Well, because there's people eating things, like people. Wow. Oh my God.
Wow.
Holy shoot balls. I'm gonna try not to get
Oh God, we
lost.
lost Nora.
You lost me?
No.
Okay.
Almost.
You
Oh, God,
cannot
he's
see.
coming.
What was
Where's-
that?
oh, God.
I don't know. Oh, there's a. Oh God. Jesus Christ. This is so trippy. I must say, I don't think I've ever seen a fog out maze this effective.
Okay, there she is.
I'm walking into the wall.
Yeah.
Did I go the wrong way? Sorry. The walls
What
look like
happens when you-
snozberries now.
This is what happens when you eat the applesauce.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, she found it.
Holy cow. Hi.
How are you all? You want a Christmas present?
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh.
Anyway.
Oh,
Not
wow.
very
You want to
nice.
sing a Christmas song?
Sure. Yeah.
No, you
Pick
didn't.
one.
You didn't give us no presents. We ain't singing no songs.
Well,
You burned our present.
I brought my husband too.
Yeah, I see.
wow. You got a thing with fire.
Merry Christmas!
Good
There's
night.
somebody back there. Oh my God.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Oh, look at the snow.
Snowing. Yeah.
Snow in the
We do.
marionettes.
Yeah.
I love it.
Love snow.
What is that? And
He's
they're
yelling at us
gone.
downstairs.
Have you seen Santa?
Not yet.
Where's my present?
Oh, they
That lady
threw
back
it
there.
on fire.
That lady back there burned him.
Oh, that was you. Uh-oh, I see a clown.
Oh my.
Oh God, that's awesome. He's doing something weird. Oh God. Shitballs. It's the clown on the thing. That looks comfortable. Ooh. Oh, he has no body. Oh, that's really cool. My. Ooh, we found some stairs. And the guardian of the stairs. Ah,
Oh, he's moving.
he is. I like that. It's creepy. That's really creepy. It's very dark down
We gotta
there.
go down there.
If you guys have been watching us long enough, Nora's afraid of the dark. Oh, okay, it's just the circus. This has got to be safe. Yeah. Hi. Oh my God, that looked like the guy outside. Oh, that is a giant thing of cotton candy, isn't it? Whoa. Hi. Can we push it? Can we push it? Yeah. We blew it up. That one has an ornament. I was not expecting that. Oh, how great distraction. Thank you. To you too. That one's not right. This is so fun. You would not expect all this. Somebody really like a Sweet Baby Ray's.
Yeah.
Wonder what they're eating with that. Ooh, it smells earthy in here.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's a warning. I really like that. Holy cow. That must be their collection.
Oh my.
Holy shit! What even was that?
I don't know.
Oh no. Hi there. Oh hell. Woo! Oh God! She's sawing people's faces off from up there. Woo! Oh my God! She was right there. Yeah. No. I don't.
I just want to open it.
Uh,
Just kidding.
okay, see, I don't trust you. Oh, that's so greedy. Oh! Nope. Ooh, tell us below. Who's your favorite character in there?